Good day to everyone, and today we will see the concept of voltage regulation uh, in the transformers, and we will see the formula in the per unit form. Okay, so the formula is given by this. Okay, the voltage regulation is given by R per unit cos phi 2 plus minus x per unit sine phi 2. Okay, so this is the formula. Now here negative is for leading power factor. Okay, and your positive plus sign is for lagging power factor. Okay, so this much thing you should remember. And now see here, the most important part is that a formula is okay, but you should remember the play of this R per unit and X per unit. Okay, so let me write it down. Okay, you must understand the meaning of these R per unit and X per unit. Okay, so for that I am writing some expressions, and I hope you will get from them. Okay, so your R per unit is, see, we know what is the meaning of per unit, actual value upon the base value. So your R per unit is equal to R equivalent by Z base. Okay, and your R equivalent divided by Z base will be V base by I base. V base and I base are defined for the transformer. Okay, so you can write this thing as R equivalent into I base divided by V base. Okay, so your expression comes out to be I rated. See, usually the base values are the rated values. Okay, so I rated into R equivalent divided by V rated. Okay, so see, what is I into R? I into R is voltage, that is the voltage drop. So what we can say is that your R per unit can be said as R per unit is the per unit full load voltage drop across resistance. Okay, so this is the thing that you should have in your mind. Okay, so, like that in some question it is given per unit full load voltage drop across resistance, so it must strike to your mind that the R per unit is given to you. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so this was first thing. Now similarly, let us see for the X per unit. Okay, and your R per unit can also be written in this fashion. See, R per unit is equal to I rated. See what we have found out. We have I rated into R equivalent divided by V rated. Okay, so what we do is we multiply by I rated and divide by I rated. Remember, your rated values are the base values. Generally it is taken at this way only. So the expression comes out to be I rated square R equivalent divided by V rated into I rated. Okay, so I square R is the power and V into I is also power. So this is the per unit power. Okay, that is understood. And I square R. So these are the copper losses. So this can be also considered as per unit full load copper loss. Per unit full load. So in some question, if it is given to you per unit full load copper loss, then it should strike in your mind that R per unit is given to you. Okay, so this is also one of the important thing. Okay, so let me take it to next page, and now we will see for X per unit also. See, X per unit will be similarly using the above analogy only. I hope you can derive this expression I rated into X equivalent divided by V rated. Okay, so it can also be taken as per unit voltage drop across reactance. Per unit voltage drop across resistance. Sorry, reactance. Okay. Now the fourth thing that we should know is your X per unit can also be written in this fashion also, on the same analogy that we have derived for the R per unit, that is I rated square X equivalent divided by V rated into I rated. So it will come out to be, it can be written as what? Per unit inductive power stored in half cycle. Okay, per unit inductive power. See, I square X is inductive power. Inductive power held in half cycle. Okay, so the important part is for the R per unit. Okay, that is must to remember. Similarly, you can also think for Z per unit. Okay, so these are the ways that Z per unit or X per unit or R per unit is given to you, and from those you have to derive the voltage regulation. Okay, so these are the many questions have been formed on this on these things. So Z equivalent by Z base. Okay, so your Z equivalent will be, we can also write it out, your Z equivalent as VSC by ISC. Okay, so where your VSC, your from the short circuit test these expressions are derived. Okay, so that I will explain in some other video. So VSC by ISC divided by Z base will be V rated by I rated. Okay. Okay, so this expression I will explain in the video regarding the short circuit test and open circuit test. Okay, and from this expression you can also take it as your VSC divided by I rated. Okay, so in cases your short circuit current is same as the rated current. Okay, you can perform the short circuit test in such a way. So it will be V rated by I rated. See, derivation is not that much necessary, but you should have some idea in the back of your mind. VSC divided by V rated. So your Z per unit is same as the VSC by V rated. Okay. But this is only valid when your ISC is same as the I rated, where this SC subscript is for short circuit conditions. Okay. So this is the thing. And one more thing you should remember, see, I rated square R equivalent divided by V rated into I rated will be S base. Okay, so that is also one thing. Now since we are using the base values as the rated values, the rated values as the base values, so your this thing S base is same as the S rated. So in that cases you can write it as per unit full load copper loss. Okay, so see, don't confuse, you just remember that if something like this is given to you, then you can think in this manner also. Okay, so don't need to mug up, just have this idea in back of your mind. Okay, so that you can write your per unit full load copper losses as R per unit. Okay, that is important. Okay, so this concept is over.